Hey everyone, welcome to Cloud Built Right. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to create an IAM user for AWS console access and also to generate access keys for that user for programmatic access. If you're new to this topic, you can check out my previous video about AWS IAM. First, let's create an IAM user. So, log into your AWS Management Console. Once you have logged in, navigate to the IAM service. Here, in the IAM dashboard, click on Users from the left-hand menu. Then click on the Create User button. Give the user a name, example, a test user. Next, you'll need to select the type of access this user will have. If you want to give the user console access, check this box, Provide user access to the AWS Management Console. And then select the option, I want to create an IAM user. You now have two options to generate the password. One is the auto-generate password and then create a custom password. Let's create a user using a custom password. If you want to give additional security, you can check this option for the user to create a new password at next sign-in. Next, let's add some permissions. You can either attach policies directly to the user or add the user to the group and then attach policies to the group. For this tutorial, let's attach a policy directly to the user. Select Administrator Access Policy. Finally, review your selections. If everything looks good, click Create User. And just like that, we have created an IAM user with console access. You can use this username and password to log into your AWS console as IAM user. Now that we have created a user, let's move on to generating access keys. Access keys are essential if your user needs programmatic access to AWS services, like through the AWS CLI or SDKs. So to create access keys, let's go back to the IAM dashboard and select the user you just created, which is nothing but the test user. Once you are on the user details page, navigate to the Security Credentials tab. Then scroll down to the Access Keys section. Click on Create Access Key. AWS will prompt you to specify the use case for which you need these access keys. Choose the appropriate option. I'll select CLI, that is the Command Line Interface option. Then next comes tags, which are optional. We can skip this for now and then click on Create Access Key. So here's your new access key and secret access key. Make sure to download the .csv file or copy these keys somewhere secure. Remember, you won't be able to see the secret keys again after this, so keep it safe. Also, make sure you don't share your access keys with anyone. They must be stored securely just like your username and password. And that's it. You have successfully created an IAM user with console access and generated access keys for programmatic access. With these credentials, you can securely manage access to your AWS environment. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AWS tutorials. Thanks for watching.